Good morning guys, I am going to be doing a makeup video in Bangkok. This is our very messy room, but as you can see, it's Kim's side of the bed that's messy. This is not my bed, this is Kim's bed. That's my bed, and it's only messy because I took out my makeup, but actually it was very clean and neat. Okay, so I bought some makeup yesterday from Terminal 21, and they have quite a few makeup brands that apparently is like quite famous here. So I actually bought the foundation. So this foundation is by Mistine. Let me focus. So this is one of their famous foundations. It's the Cover All foundation. Long wear, full coverage, all control, SPF 15. Okay, so I'm gonna try it and see if it really holds up the whole of today, because we'll be out the whole of today. This looks like it's a bit too fair for my skin. Can you see? Okay, let me try. Yeah, it's way too light for my skin, as you can see. But I think it's blending in quite well. I need a mirror. Don't I have a mirror? Can you have like a mirror?
What sort?
Like a small mirror.
Because the mirror is very far away.
Kim has lent me her mirror because the mirror is quite far away. I can't see myself. Coverage wise, I don't really think this is full coverage. I can still see my pigmentation and my acne marks. It's pretty lightweight. I don't feel that it's very heavy or anything. But we'll see at the end of tonight if this foundation really lasts. It also highlights some dry patches I have here, so that's not good. Probably put moisturizer over this. I brought my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I'm running out of this, so I'm gonna buy this in the airport again. So I'm just gonna highlight the darker areas of my face, like the outer corners of my nose and my mouth, as well as highlight the bridge of my nose. And I didn't bring many brushes, but I did bring my concealer brush. I'm actually trying to do this video really quickly because I only have one battery and I already charged it, and I think it might not last till the end of today, so just trying to blend really quick. Next step, I'm going to be doing my brows, and this is also another product that I just got yesterday. It is the Mistine Brow Secret. So apparently this is one of their signature products. And I also got, this is a pencil with the brow powder, but I also got the one with the brow gel, which I'll show you in another video because I don't want to take it out now. So I think you start with the brow pencil. Just following the natural shape of my brow and just extending it. And I actually really like this product because the tip is very fine, so it's very easy to draw the brows. It's very natural and it's not too harsh. I like my brows today. And then they have this side, which is a... Oh, I thought it would be a brow powder. Oh my gosh, I just found out they have the brow powder side, and then they have a brow gel side, and then they have a brow pencil side. I wonder it's called 3D. Okay, so I will just go in with some powder. I just want to see how it looks. Just very lightly because I don't want it too dark. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with the gel. So this will set my brows for the day. But I hope it's not too dark because it looks very pigmented. Oh, but surprisingly not. Okay, so the next step, I didn't bring much makeup. Okay, forget it, I'm gonna use Kim's palette. So this palette is the Graveyard Girl Swarm Queen. Thanks to Kim, she brought this, and I'm just gonna try this palette because it looks good. Just gonna go over my whole eyelid with Big Baby. Let's try this. This palette's by Tarte, so it should be pretty good. Let's do Natural Peaches. So I'm gonna be blending this onto my crease line. Then I'm going to use Dogman, which is like a reddish brown shade, to do the outer corners of my eyes. I'm also going to be using this shade to line my bottom lash. I'll use my NYX lingerie NYX to do the middle of my eyelids. So this is like a light pink glitter kind of pigment something, and just going to go into the middle. She's laughing at me. Hi! And just blend with my fingers because I didn't bring enough eye brushes. Just to brighten the middle of my eyelid. Also gonna be using this in the inner corners of my eyes because it's quite brightening, so it can highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And I brought the Yacht Lyfe and Rum from Fenty Beauty. I think I'm gonna do just a blush. I don't want to do anything too harsh. So I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going to do an X here, just to the apples of my cheeks. And I brought a face shape brush. This is from Sueva. I'm just going to blend this out. Fenty Beauty matchsticks are very good to bring on holiday because you just have to bring the stick and the brush, and it can be a highlighter, it can be a blusher, and then you can just get your Rum is the contour. Okay, so just a very light blush, and I've not done my eyeliner, so I'm going in with my Clio Killblack waterproof eyeliner. I also bought an eyeliner from Mistine yesterday, but I'm not going to open that yet. This is always the hardest part. Take my lash and just go like downwards. After years of putting makeup, I still have not mastered the art of applying eyeliner. Brought my eyelash color. also bought this mistine mascara. It's called the Mistine Open Up Peacock Mascara. So let's make me look like a peacock. Yes. Quite pretty packaging. This is one of their must-buys. The wand makes the mascara very easy to apply into the lashes, but I'm not sure if this mascara is volumizing. Yes, I can't say that word. It doesn't really give my eyelashes volume, but I think it does give a very natural look to the eyelashes. It's not clumpy and it's not spidery. It doesn't give the lashes the spidery effect. Oh, I have not done my powder. So this is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I brought this along because it's a lot smaller than the Laura Mercier powder. Just gonna be dabbing this onto my face because Bangkok is very hot and humid, and I don't think my makeup can last the entire day, and I'm not very sure about this foundation as well. We're going to Platinum to shop later, so I'm very excited. Platinum is this place that has lots of clothes at very cheap prices, and you can buy almost anything you want there. So I'm done with my powder, and now I'm going to be applying my lipstick. This Espoir Contour Lip Duo that I got from Korea, and it just it does the gradient lip. So basically it does have a highlight side, they call it, which is actually just a very nude beige glittery kind of shade that you apply to the whole lip. So let me show you. Then they have this contour part that you apply to the middle of your lip. So usually I do like a kissing shape on my lips, and then I apply it to the middle. I also got this Espoir Face Primer Glow Mist that's supposed to set your makeup, so we're just gonna spray it all over. And it smells really, really good. Yep, so I'm done, and we're gonna head for lunch and gonna make Kim take some photos of me. She hates me. See you guys later.